Today we are learning the classic cocktail recipe of a Southside. Hey everybody, Michael from Polybar here. If you love gin and don't like your cocktails too sweet, then this is the drink for you. Definitely if you have never tried it and love a nice fresh tasting drink, a Southside. So this recipe today is very easy, goes by the traditional 60 ml of spirits, then half of that is our citrus and half of the citrus is our sugar. So today we are using Bombay Dry as our gin, we're using lime as our citrus, freshly squeezed about 1 lime, and we're using 15 ml of sugar syrup. Bit of glass in our ice, bit of ice in our glass to start, and this one is very simple, so we'll just get straight to it. 60 ml. Of our gin, and we've already poured out these ones, so 30 ml. Actually, I lied, this one hasn't been measured. 15 ml. That's just a simple 1-to-1 part recipe of sugar syrup. And I'll make a how to make sugar syrup in another video shortly. So the garnish for this one is going to be a piece of mint, so we don't really have to prepare that before. And it does call for between 5 and 8 pieces of mint in our shaker, and we're shaking with the mint in there. This way you get the beautiful aroma of the mint and those oils there as well. So mint goes into our shaker, and interestingly, if another cocktail is called an East Side, which pretty much you get 2 slices of cucumber and muddle that in the shaker at this point as well. That will give the drink an extra fresh sort of cucumber sort of flavour to it as well. Oh, you get that beautiful mint flavour in there straight away. Dumping your ice. Definitely for this drink you have to fine strain it, otherwise you're going to get chunks of mint and it won't be the nicest. So as you can see, that colour is beautiful, and you'll get tiny specks of mint as well. And the garnish is just a simple mint on top. Beautiful balance of the gin and citrus in this one. And freshness of the mint. Delicious. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe if you haven't, and we'll look forward to seeing you or you seeing us at our next video.